Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the next important topic is of the nanomaterial, that is the graphene. In the previous session itself we discussed about the common properties and application of the nanomaterial. Along with the same we also discussed an important point, that is the CNT, carbon nanotubes, and its classification along with the properties and application of the same. Friends, today we want to discuss about this graphene. It belongs to the engineering materials. For that purpose, if we consider this is the graphite rod, and right from this graphite rod, if we remove the single layer of this, then there is a getting the two-dimensional sheet, and that having the hexagons. Single two-dimensional sheet having the hexagons, that is nothing but the graphene. As like this sheet, if we consider this is the two-dimensional sheet, there is a presence of such kind of the hexagons, it is nothing but the graphene. Hence, graphene is nothing but that single layer of graphite packed in hexagonal structure. What is that hexagonal structure? If we make the such kind of the simple lining and just close the ends of that tubes or the lines, you will get the such kind of the hexagon. If you carefully notice that after closing the ends of that lines, a single layer of that hexagons is obtained to there and is nothing but the graphene. If we consider this is the x-axis, this one is y-axis, and this is the z-axis. What is this? It is the two-dimensional structure. Now, each carbon atom which is present in this graphene itself, it is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. A distance between the two carbon atom, it is 0.142 nanometer. 0.142 nanometer. So, which are the important properties of this graphene? First important property, it having that two-dimensional structure, and there is a presence of hexagons. Second important property of the same, it having whatever the crystal lattice, in that crystal lattice, each and every carbon atom which is present to there, it is sp2 hybridized. It is sp2 hybridized. Third important property, it is 200 times stronger than same thickness layer of steel. Same thickness layer of steel. Fourth important property of the same, it is good conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Next important property, that is whatever the graphene, that graphene is more diamagnetic than graphite. Friends, please remember that this is only one form of the carbon in which each carbon atom or every carbon atom is available from the two sides for the chemical reaction. Two sides from the chemical reaction. This is again one of the important property. Again, one more important property, a distance between the carbon-carbon atom, that is 0.142 nanometers. These are the some of the important property that is concerned with this graphene. Next point is preparation of graphene. Friends, there are the number of ways of the preparation of graphene. First important way is, or first method of preparation of graphene is ablation of graphite on the paper. Method 1, that is ablation of graphite on paper. Ablation of graphite on paper. It is too simple. When we take such kind of the paper and just take the pencil and you just rub it and make the single layer of that graphite on the paper itself. This single layer of the graphite is nothing but the graphene, and it looks like this. So there is a getting the such kind of the layer is nothing but the graphene. Okay, and that method is called as ablation of this graphite on the paper itself. The preparation of the graphene, that is the exfoliation of the graphite structure. Exfoliation of graphite structure. What is this exfoliation? It is too simple. If we consider this is the graphite rod, and with the help of that adhesive, if we take the adhesive tape, see, this is the adhesive tape. You just wind on the same. After winding the adhesive tape, you just wind the adhesive tape on the same, and after winding this adhesive, if you remove this adhesive tape, there is a getting the single layer of the graphite on this adhesive itself. It is the second method of the preparation of the graphene. Third method of the preparation of the graphene is nothing but the whatever the sodium metal, it is treated with the ethanol itself. While treating with ethanol for 3 days, how many days? 3 days. It is slowly heated. Slowly heating of that sodium with ethanol itself, there is a getting the fused graphene structure. Fused graphene is observed here. After drying, we will get that single layer of the graphite, or we call it as a graphene. These are the 3 important ways of the preparation of the graphene. First one is the ablation of the graphite on the paper itself. Second one is the exfoliation of the graphite structure, and third one is treating of sodium with ethanol. Let us discuss about the next important point, that is the application of graphene. Let us discuss about the important application of the graphene. Being a transparent and flexible nature, it can be used in the solar cell. A powder of the graphene, it can be blended with the polymer, so it can be used to synthesize the polymer composite. It can be used in the energy storage devices. It can be used as a sensor for detecting the number of gases. It can be used as a filtration material. Materials. It can be used in the capacitor and the 3D printers. Capacitors and 3D printers. These are the some of the important application that is concerned with the graphene itself. Hope all of you understand today's session. Subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.